Ang buhay, karamihan sa atin, parang loop, yung paulit-ulit lang. Meron kang nilulook forward na out of the country or show or event. Kapag nandun ka na, ilulook forward mo ulit, banibago, ano pa yung parang may hinahabol ka.
Never ending.
Oo.
Yung chase ng happiness.
Surviving ka lang, wala kang purpose. Sabi ko nga sa kanila, natutunan ko, if you want to know your purpose, you have to know your creator because he is the one who designed you and gave you a purpose. Kasi lagi tayo, di ba, hinahanap natin happiness, but happiness are based on happenings. Masaya ka, may trabaho ka, healthy ka, buhay magulang mo.
Nice.
Pero paano kapag namatay magulang mo? Nagka-cancer ka or nawalan kang trabaho? Nawawala yung happiness kasi naka-base lang siya doon sa happenings. Ang importante na dapat meron tayo is joy. Joy na from within, hindi apektado ng circumstances and situations in life.
Joy is internal.
Yes. So yung joy na yon, kasama na yung kasing peace, makukuha mo lang yung kay Lord.